In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view staff capacity with workload in Asana Portfolios. Hi everyone! If you're trying to see who on your team is underassigned or stretched too thin, Asana's Workload View inside Portfolios makes that crystal clear. I'll walk you through it from start to finish and share a few tips to make your analysis more accurate and actionable. First, head to Portfolios from the left sidebar and open the portfolio you want to review. Portfolios collect multiple projects, so make sure you pick the one that includes the teams or initiatives you're tracking. Once you're inside the portfolio, switch to the Workload tab at the top. This view is purpose-built for capacity planning, so it will translate all the tasks across your projects into an at-a-glance picture of who's carrying what. Next, set the date range using the picker in the top right. You can look at a week, a month, or a custom range. Choose a time frame that aligns with how you plan. Weekly for near-term adjustments, monthly for trend spotting, or a custom window if you need to cover a sprint or a specific milestone. This ensures you're seeing only the workload that's relevant to your timeline. Now, read the capacity view. Each person appears as a row, and their workload is represented by colored bars across the dates. Green means they're within capacity, red indicates they're over capacity, and gray or a very light fill suggests they are under capacity. This color coding helps you scan quickly for imbalances, but it's always worth opening up the details before making changes. To do that, click any workload bar. You'll see the tasks contributing to that person's load, the effort or time allocation if you track it, and which projects each task comes from. This context shows not only how much work there is, but what kind of work it is, which is helpful when you're deciding what to shift. If you spot a problem, you can rebalance the workload by reassigning tasks, changing due dates, or updating effort values to reflect the real effort needed. A small tweak to effort can turn red into green without guessing, and moving a due date might resolve a short-term spike without changing ownership. A few important notes before you wrap up. Workload is available in portfolios on paid plans. Tasks need assignees and due dates to appear. If something's missing, it won't factor into capacity. Effort values are optional, but adding them significantly improves accuracy, and that's how to see staff capacity using workload in Asana Portfolios to balance work and avoid burnout. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.